This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dana Gustafson. A meticulously maintained second-story condo that is nestled in a peaceful golf course community. It has a desirable open and light floor plan. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, tankless water heater and built-in wine cooler. Private garage and parking place. Guest parking plentiful. Drive through this beautiful single-family neighborhood to find this community located on the 13th hole. Centrally located to shopping, interstate, and bases. A true gem. For more information, review the details below.